Hi Science in a Van fans, it's Alan here, and if you've been following us on our electronic mystery tour, you might realise we're trying to build a mechanical electronical structure, and gearboxes for our motors are really useful, and building them is a little bit tricky, but I thought I'll try this kit that I found and see what it's like. So we're going to explore this kit today in this video. So let's have a look at this kit. Let's get it open. It will staple there. Let's open it up. I can go in my bin. Got a sheet of instructions. Always read the instructions first without tearing them. There we go, there's some instructions. And let's have a look at the kit itself. So we got a motor. So we've got a motor. In here, got lots of other stuff as well. So we've got these plastic bits, got some metal bars, I guess axles, and then lots of toothed cogs. And these little black stud things. And this tiny as cog as well. And that is everything in the kit. So starting to get the base together, the motor can clip in there. This whole kit just pushes and snaps together, so no glue or tools needed apparently. Let's see if that is the case. Now let me give that a really good push. Yep, there we go. Always a bit afraid with plastic kits of how hard you can push them, but this seems pretty up to the job. Now on this bit here we just need to place this cog here, and that is the first bit done. Okay, so these bits here go on the ends of the metal axles. I'm just going to push these on. Oh, it'll be quite. Yeah, there we go. Yeah, everything's going to fit on here nice and tight, which is really good news. I need to push that down a bit more and get the next one on. There we go. So one more to go. So those bits are done. Just going to push those into the base like so. Oh, it's a bit like a magic trick. Put those in there. So we've now got that. So the next bit, I need to take these cogs and I need to push them onto here. And I think I need to alternate them so they kind of touch and rub together. And the ones I'm putting on now are all the same. But there is one different one in the kit, and it's the last one that goes on. So it's this one here, and that goes on. Goes on. there's a slight issue with the moulding on this. There we go. Yeah, it's a bit tighter, so everything locks into position. That makes sense. And we've just got to put the black ends on. So the kit has come together pretty easily. Probably took me about 5-10 minutes. It is a bit hard to get everything pushed in, but you just need to use a bit of false. And you know, if I was doing this with younger people and stuff, maybe just a little tappy tap with a hammer, but nothing too brutal. But the kit goes together pretty well, and it feels like a pretty robust kit. But I'm keen as to get some power on it and see this thing in action. So let's get this powered up and see what happens. So we've got our battery pack here, and we got some crocodile clip cables, which are very useful. And we're going to hook one up to the battery there. We're going to take this and hook it up to the motor. Just want to make sure I get a good connection on there. And now let's take this one, connect it to there. Now in theory, when we hook it up to the wire, something should start to happen. Awesome. The wheels are turning, look at that. Now if you notice, the cog up here is spinning very fast, and then it gets passed to the first cog, and then it gets transferred to the second, and as it goes to the end, the last cog is turning very slowly. So I've put black marks on all of the cogs so we can watch them turn. I'm just going to connect it up now. And as you can see, some of the black marks are a blur, we can barely see them. But then others are turning slower because the speed is being transferred and slowed down. So this cog closest is spinning very fast. But then as we get towards the end, they're going a lot slower there. So it's been a lot of fun making this kit. It's been really good to get hands on with some gears. The kit went together really easily, and it's a nice solid kit. And I really like it because we can really see how putting a big cog to a small cog reduces the speed, and the speed reduces as it goes along through the cogs here. Now, as we go on our electronic mystery tour, we might use this for our mechanical structures, but hey, we'll have to see. So keep following us on the electronic mystery tour.